Dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel BC Study Circle Karimnagar. In previous video, we discussed clues or hints for each tense. In this video, we discuss structure for simple tense. You know very well, with the help of clues or hints, we can identify the given sentence is in which tense. With the help of structure, we can frame a sentence grammatically correct. So, first, what is the structure for simple tense? Here, for simple tense, you have two structures. What is the first structure? Subject plus V1 plus SR, ESR, IES plus object. Then after second structure, subject plus V1 plus object. In these two structures, first of all, the first structure we can use when the subject is in third person singular number. When the subject is in third person singular number means when the subject is in he, she, it, noun is in singular. Noun is in singular means third person singular. We can use the first structure. Otherwise, we have to use the second structure. Okay. You see the example. First example. He dashed. He goes to college daily. In this sentence, go is a verb. We have added es here. We have added es. Why we have added es here? Because of the subject is in third person singular number. The subject is in third person singular number. We have to add SR, ESR, IES plus object. But why we add es here instead of ER, IES? Means the verb which is ends with O, CH, SH and X. We have to add ES to the verb. Means the verb here ends with O. That's why we have added ES here. So now sentence is he goes to college daily. Here daily is the adverb used as a clue for identifying the given sentence is in simple tense. Thereafter second example, Rahul plays cricket every Sunday. Here every Sunday is the clue for identifying the given sentence is in simple tense. Now what we have to do? Now do the sentence structure. What is the subject here? Rahul. Rahul is a noun. Rahul is a noun. Noun is in singular means third person singular number. So we have to use the first structure. What is the first structure? Subject plus V1 plus SR, ESR, IES plus object. Now Rahul is a subject. The verb is play. The verb play ends with Y and preceded by a vowel. When the verb ends with Y preceded by a vowel, we have to add yes to the verb. We have to add yes to the verb. So here verb ends with Y and preceded by a vowel A. So we have to add yes only. Now what is the sentence? Rahul plays cricket every Sunday. This is grammatically correct. Then after, she carries a bag to institute every day. In this sentence, every day is the clue for identifying the given sentence is in simple tense. It is an adverb. Okay. Now what is the subject here? She. She is the subject. Now what is the verb here? Carries. How carries came? Actually the verb carry, C-A-R-R-Y. Carry is the verb, ends with Y and preceded by a consonant here. Then we have to remove the Y and add IES. Means carry plus IES. Carries. The verb ends with Y and preceded by a consonant. Then we have to add IES. So the verb becomes changed as carries. See here all of you. Verb ends with Y, preceded by a consonant. Remove the Y and add IES. So we have added here IES. Remove the Y and add IES. Now what is the sentence? She carries a bag to institute every day. Now grammatically it is correct. Then after, he drinks coffee in the morning. In this sentence, in the morning is a clue for present simple tense. Now what is the subject here? Subject is he. The subject he is in third person singular. Third person singular. So what is the verb here? Drink is the verb. We have added yes. Means otherwise only we have to add yes to the verb. Means the verb, if the verb ends with other than Y, R, O, CH, SH, X, we have to add only yes for remaining verbs. So he drinks coffee in the morning. Now it is a grammatically correct sentence. Last sentence, I eat mangoes. In this sentence, the subject is I, means first person singular. For the first person singular, we have to use the second structure instead of first structure. The first structure is only used for when the subject is in third person singular number. Like he, she, it, noun is in singular. For other persons, we have to use the second structure. So here I is the first person, so we have to use the second structure. What is second structure? Subject plus V1 plus object. What is the subject here? I is the subject. Then after eat, we don't have to add anything to the verb. So only you have to write V1 form. Eat is a V1 form. Next mangoes. Mangoes is the object. So subject plus V1 plus object. I eat mangoes. This is the grammatically correct sentence in simple tense. Remaining structures we discuss in next video. Till then, bye.